Picture a small bird perched peacefully on a branch. The world around it is calm, serene, untouched by chaos. But then life happens. The winds pick up, the branch begins to shake, and everything feels uncertain. Yet watch this bird closely. It doesn't panic. It doesn't abandon its place. Instead, it finds balance, adjusts its grip, and stays centered despite the storm. This is the power we all possess. When life shakes our foundation, when uncertainty surrounds us, we have a choice. We can let fear overwhelm us, or we can tap into that quiet strength within. That steady confidence that doesn't need to shout to be heard when we're ready. We spread our wings and soar beyond what we thought possible. The branch was never our limit. It was simply our launching pad. Believe in yourself. Your strength lies within you.